Welcome to the Fabulous. Take a moment to tap on the download link right here so you can take the journey with us. Pause the video if you need to. We'll wait. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button to get more Fab videos. You open your eyes one morning only to find something is missing. You don't feel like getting up. The energy in your spirit has disappeared. Your flame, the energy, it's all gone. Why is this happening now? You need something new and enthralling, something meaningful that will spark your senses back to life. That is why today's lesson is on how to recharge and increase your energy. Life is always going to throw pebbles at you. No matter how resilient you are, some will breach your defenses and cripple your self-control. Giving into one bad habit grants permission for another failure. Missing one good habit leads you to miss the next. What you need is an outlet for your stress, a way to replenish your self-control whenever it gets fatigued. The next time you feel like your life is spiraling out of control, stop, remember, go to nature, play, run, explore, be crazy, and let go of everything. Strolling through nature recharges your self-discipline and brings back the old you, the one that feels great about him or herself. According to one study, people who relax in the park for 30 minutes a week have better mental health. The more time spent in nature each week, the lower your chances of depression and high blood pressure. Other studies show that thinking in abstract big picture terms increases self-control. A daily walk is the perfect time to take a step back to analyze life's issues with a more abstract perspective. But while you're walking, try to avoid thinking about anything specific. Let your mind flow and get a new perspective on your life's challenges. It's time for action. For 3 days this week, go for a relaxing walk in a natural area. You should also schedule in some other recharging activities through the week. You could practice a sport with friends, play a board game with the family, or take a moment to read a good book. And no, watching TV, playing video games, and checking social media do not count as relaxing activities. We're helping you find healthy ways to recharge. Doing it regularly is the best way to ensure your self-discipline stays strong. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck.